Hello and welcome to day 97 of Bedtime Welsh. 3 more to go until we hit the big 100. And we're going to introduce another question word for you today. So you've had why, I think, Pam, and you've had when as pryd, and you've had what as Beth. So now it's time for where. And where in Welsh is lle. Lle. So you're making that ell sound. To make the ell sound, remember, just say l, and then let a little bit of air out while you're holding the L position. So l, sh. It's like going p, f, or r, or s, sh. So it's, or t, th. So l, sh, lle. If you really don't want to make the sh sound, or if you're in the south of Wales, you might want to say blair instead of lle. But it's lle we do up here, so that's what we're going with. Okay, so can you give me where in Welsh?
Lle.
Lle. How about where are you? Can you work out what that would be? Where are you?
Lle wyt ti?
Lle wyt ti? How about where are you now?
Lle wyt ti rŵan?
Lle wyt ti rŵan? You just heard a little sort of informal thing from Beino, just saying rŵan instead of rŵan. Lle wyt ti rŵan? You can go with Beino if you want to. Okay, how about where are you going?
Lle wyt ti'n mynd?
Lle wyt ti'n mynd? How about where are you going to play?
Lle wyt ti'n mynd I chwarae?
Lle wyt ti'n mynd I chwarae? If you just said mynd chwarae, don't worry, you'll be understood. But mynd I is the normal structure there. So mynd I chwarae. And finally for today, where are you going to play tonight?
Lle wyt ti'n mynd I chwarae heno?
Lle wyt ti'n mynd I chwarae heno? Da iawn, and we'll try and have 98 ready for you before too long. Hwyl am y tro!
Ta!